the neighborhood, we'd sit together and talk of how life could be hard some days, yeah, but we'd share a humble meal. Then my mother'd say with a voice so real, "Oh child, just hold on tight. Better days will greet the morning light." So, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman. Oh my dear one, dry your eyes. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. I remember those nights under city stars, just me and my friends strumming old guitars. Our pockets thin, but our spirits wide, with dreams like oceans flowing with the tide. In the struggle, we found our song to keep us moving, keep us strong. Say, so no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman. Oh my dear one, dry your eyes. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Yes, time it carries memories like a stream, and sometimes life feels harder than it seems. But with good friends here standing by my side, I know this love will be my guide. With good friends here, love will be my guide. So when you feel the world is weighing you down, and your smile is turned into a frown, just sing this melody, let your worries fly. Look up and see the same eternal sky. And remember, love will never truly say goodbye. So no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman. Oh my dear one, dry your eyes. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Oh my dear one, no woman, no cry. In the morning light, dry your eyes. myself in times of quiet confusion. A stillness settles deep, searching for a solution. Then resting in my mind, a calm begins to grow. A voice I've always known starts speaking soft and slow, whispering, let it be, let it be. Words of comfort, words of peace. Let it be when the people all around me start to lose direction, and every conversation fuels a new rejection. I see them in their struggle, all the pain they can't release. And in that heavy moment, I remember peace whispering, let it be, let it be. Words of comfort, words of peace. Let it be. When the night is darkest, with no stars left to see, and doubt becomes the only thing that's keeping company, the dawn will have its moment. The light will find a way to wake the sleeping courage and turn the night to day. Singing now, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, trust and peace. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Words of comfort, words of peace. Let it be. Let it be, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Whispering words of peace. Let it be. I still remember old familiar pines, the dirt road dust that settled on the vineyard lines. Time moves so slow there, steady as an oak, younger than the mountains, older than the joke we used to tell when the evening light would grow. Back roads, take me home to the place I know, wildflowers, river stone. Take me home. Back roads, back roads. All my closer with every mile I drive. Back roads, take me home to the place I know. Wildflowers, river stone, take me home. Back roads, I hear it in the rustle of the leaves. It calls me, the radio plays a song from a memory. Driving down this asphalt, I get a feeling that I've been headed home since the day I started leaving. Back roads, take me home to the place I know. Wildflowers, river stone, take me home. Back roads, take me home. Take me home, now back roads, to the moss, the memories, the old fence roads. Take me home, take me home. Back roads. Take me home, now back roads. What would I be without your steady hand? A ship that's lost its way without a promised land. My edge is sharp, my color's bold and rough, but you see the canvas where the paint's not yet enough. Cause you give me a rhythm when my world's out of time. You read all my silence like your favorite line. And even when I'm breaking, you say that's how the light gets in. So here's my truth, let this song begin. Love, all of me, curves and sharp corners, my untold history. Every perfect flaw, every unseen war. Love, all of me, all of me, all of me, all of me. Some days I'm a storm cloud, heavy with the rain. Some days just the quiet after all the pain. I bring my chaos, I bring my tangled thread, but you take the mess and weave a home instead. Cause you give me a rhythm when my world's out of time. You read all my silence like your favorite line. And even when I'm breaking, you say that's how the light gets in. So here's my truth again. Love, all of me, curves and sharp corners, my untold history. Every perfect flaw, every unseen war. All of me, all of me, all of me, all of me. Take my defense, take my pride, take the parts I always try to hide. My doubt, my fire, my fear of the fall. I surrender, I give you my all. My all. Love, all of me, curves and sharp corners, my untold history. Every perfect flaw, every unseen war. watching me. I paint a smile for the world to see, a perfect fiction of where I'm supposed to be. I talk to strangers, I laugh too loud just to break the silence of the watching crowd. Every vow I break, you know, every choice I make, you know. Every breath I take, I feel you take it. Every step I make, I feel you make it. Every single sound I break, you'll be watching me. How my heart beats, how it jumps at a knock. How my heart beats, how it stops in the dark. How my heart beats for a shape in the glass. This devotion is a trap, this devotion is a trap. Every single sound I break, I know you're watching me. Can't sleep, can't dream, can't wake from this. You own the air in my lungs, you own the song on my tongue. Watching, always watching. Hey you, with the weight upon your chest, I know you're doing all you can, just trying your best. Remember, every ending has a start, and the hardest part is trusting your own heart. So let it out and let it in. Hey, you begin to mend the world within. Don't be afraid, the fear will fade away. You were made to find a better way. And anytime you feel the pain, hey, you refrain from building walls against the rain. For well you know, it's just a passing storm, and in its wake a stronger form is born. So let it out and let it in. Hey, you begin to mend the world within. and cold. And every dream feels like a story left untold. But you've got fire burning in your soul, and that same fire will make you whole. So let it out and let it in. Hey, you begin to mend the world within. Don't be afraid, the fear will fade away. You were made to find a better way. On a Wednesday breeze, turn my Sunday plans to fallen leaves. I've been overthinking every single sign, building up these walls, drawing fading lines. But I look at you, and the compass in my mind just spins and settles on. Now's the time, so won't you open up your door, 'cause I won't hesitate no more. No, I won't hesitate, this life is ours. My heart's a sail, you're the wind, I'm yours, I'm yours. The calendar pages, they can flip and fly, chasing perfect moments in a sun-drenched sky. But my feet are planted in this good green earth, laughing at the notion of what I was worth before you walked in. And the whole world turned into a lesson that I'm finally learning. So won't you open up your door, 'cause I won't hesitate no more. No, I won't hesitate, this life is ours. My heart's a sail, you're the wind, I'm yours, I'm yours. Shine that you deliver. We got our own rhythm, our own humble rhyme. We're beating in time, beating in time. Love comes out in a clumsy song. It's been locked away, this weather grateful tune, but it's harmonizing with your afternoon. And our time is short, but our story's long. So I figured out, oh, I figured out that you got we swore we'd never set free. Say you, say me, say it plainly, say it needfully. Down these endless echoing halls we raise, 100 friends without a familiar face, looking for a harbor, a steady light, someone who won't vanish into the night, to look you in the eye and truly say, I see your shadow but I'll stay. So say you, say me, say the things we swore we never set free. Say you, say me, say it plainly, say it needfully. So you think your profile tells your tale? Oh no, this curated life is bound to fail. That's right, I'm telling you, it's time to start receiving. Oh yes, receive the soul you're keeping. You are a human breathing. Oh, say you, say me, say the secrets that were meant to be. Say you, say me, say it bravely, say it desperately. Say you, say me, say it together.